Patricia. Welcome to Gift of Life Day at Chestnut Hill College. And so we are here, this event is hosted by Griffin PR. We're here to spread a very important message. Organ donation can save lives. Did you know that one person can save the lives of 8 people? So we're here on the campus of Chestnut Hill College as part of the Student Save Lives College Challenge. And we're here to bring awareness of the importance of organ donation. Welcome everyone, have a good time. Go Griffin PR. We're so super honored and privileged to have with us today a heart recipient for more than 21 years. And so an ambassador for Gift of Life, Mr. Earl Jones. We're here having fun, but we don't want to lose sight of, in all this excitement, we're here for a very important reason, to spread awareness on the importance of organ donation. So,
good afternoon, everyone. It is my honor and privilege to be here with you today, and I'm encouraged by the turnout for this event to make people aware of the need for organ and tissue donation. I'm a direct recipient of an received a heart transplant 21 years ago. So if there's anyone that knows about the importance and the impact of transplant, you're looking at them.
Professor Ramsey is my sister. I love this campaign. Not because she's my sister, but because it is specifically targeted to college students. And it helps Gift of Life increase awareness of the importance of organ donation.